I'm Dan.
And I'm Hannah.
Today we're going to try carbonating mangoes with dry ice in an ice chest, with dry ice in a pressure cooker, and in a soda machine. Whoa, it's exploding!
Juicy.
First, we're going to taste these mangoes. Oh wow, that's so good.
Oh, it's really good.
These are some of the best mangoes I've ever had. I hope we don't ruin them by carbonating them. First, we're going to attempt carbonation with the ice chest. Oh, it smells so good. Wonder if I pop them out, maybe they'll absorb more CO2.
That looks so cool.
So 660 grams. So that's a little less than 2 kilograms. I hope we don't freeze the mango by using too much.
Hopefully not.
So first we place the mangoes on top of the dry ice separated by a towel, and then we wrap with plastic wrap very tightly.
Very tightly.
Look, you can see it inflating. The box is puffy.
Whoa. That's like frozen.
It's frozen.
It's frozen.
They're not all completely frozen. Let's try it. Let's just try them. This one's not frozen. It has a tanginess, but it's not really fizzy.
That is pretty good frozen mango though.
It's like sorbet. For our next method, we're going to carbonate the mango using a soda machine.
Let's carbonate it.
Okay, here we go. Into the refrigerator. Whoa, it's exploding.
It is very,
Did you see it puff up?
yeah.
I hope we can get it out of the
It
bottle. Oh no,
expanded.
it's not coming out of the bottle. Oh, it is, it is.
It is, it is.
Oh no.
It's becoming a mango smoothie.
Oh wow. It's liquefied the mango. It seems maybe a little fizzier.
Like a tad bit, but not much of a difference. I'd expect it to be like bubbling.
I don't like what it did to the texture.
Yeah.
It's like we're eating mango slime.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy, you just ruined it for me.
It is yummy. Next, we're going to see if we can get better results with our pressure cooker. We're going to try to prolong the pressure in the pressure cooker by making 3 different containers. I'm going to cut slits in this to make sure that it doesn't blow off. So the first dry ice. Hannah's going to pour room temperature water on 1 container of dry ice and hot water on another container of dry ice.
Whoa.
Yes, we have pressure. According to this weight, it should climb to 15 pounds per square inch. Okay, we're at pressure.
Choose your weapon.
The pressure started to decline. It's down to 12 psi, so we're gonna relieve all the pressure and taste the fruit.
Whoa.
5, 4, 1.
Whoa.
It's fizzy.
Woohoo.
Fizzy mango.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Dig in.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
I don't dislike it.
You can still taste the sweetness of the mango, and then there's this slight tanginess.
It's not what I expect a mango to taste like, but I still like it.
It's not as bubbling as I want it.
No, it's not as fizzy as some of the other fruit we've tried. So it wasn't a waste of the mango. And I have to say, for mango, the pressure cooker method is the best. In our next video, we're actually planning to carbonate mango nectar. So click here, you can watch that, and we'll see you over there. Thank you. That may be the first time I ever burped after eating a mango. I'm Dan.
And I'm...
That was pretty bizarre, wasn't it?
Yeah.